Mirandus versus Big Time. Which one is better? Quickly, before the video starts, y'all, I've found this professional crypto trader running a channel called DGN Capital. Feel free to check his channel if you'd like to learn how to trade. I found his content very good, high quality, and I'm sure you'll be able to learn a lot about trading on this channel. And if you do manage to get something out of there, feel free to let me know. Now, on to the video. So, welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Hey, before we start, we want to let you know this is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So, before investing any money, please do your own research. With that being said, let's get into the video. Do you feel that every investor is buying plots of lands in every metaverse possible? Believe it or not, crypto and real estate investors today seem more active in the metaverse and they have plans to own land there. But is owning land and real estate in the metaverse a legit option to make money? Well, the answer is yes, and even thousands of players are making a passive income and profit from real estate in the metaverse. But which metaverse project should you go with to buy real estate for investment? Now, this is where you need to know about every single metaverse project and crypto game that offers land in their gameplay, in one way or the other. What should serious buyers do if they want to invest in one of the fastest growing metaverse projects? This may be the question you have in your mind at the moment, and that's why today we're going to compare two of the metaverse projects that can be fierce competitors to each other, Mirandus versus Big Time. Which one is better? But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to get more updates and insights about the crypto world. Let's get started. What is Mirandus in Big Time in the first place? Mirandus is a free fantasy world that exists in the far universe where the players can do literally anything they want. Unlike the real world where everyone's abilities are limited, Mirandus operates in an entirely new world where players can literally cross every border. Players are shifted to a world of the past where monarchs existed. Players can be one of four monarchs and rule over their empires, doing different businesses side by side. The whole metaverse is supported by NFTs, meaning you can create any structure you want using those NFTs. But how are you going to make money? For that, you need to buy different in game assets that are going to pay you back. For example, Mirandus lets you own land anywhere you want. Therefore, you can choose to buy land that's a route where all traders and explorers pass from. You can charge them tax to let them pass through your land. Even if you use your land to create a big market that would have several small hut like shops, traders from around the world can come to your market, get a shop there, pay you the rent, and do their business. Also, you can use your land to construct a building on it. The building can, in turn, be any production house like a butchery or arrow producing firm. You can sell the finished product in the market, and that way, earn a good sum of money. You don't have to be a part of every action. Rather, you can automate the whole process and get money in your wallet. You can also own ships and run them in seas to help explorers and traders travel the world. Just don't forget, every service you would offer can get your payment in Miranda's native crypto token, Materium. After buying the ships, you can move to docks and allow ships of other sailors to get stationed there, and in turn, you can charge them a fee. In short, Miranda's lets you live a whole new life in the past where you can do various business and get a passive income in your wallet. The whole structure of the metaverse has been set in such a way that it could support users who want a passive income stream. Then comes another option, Big Time. Big Time is a science fictional world where possibilities are limitless, where anything can happen at any moment. No doubt it's a metaverse, but you're going to get what you never got in any of the metaverses in the market. Players can travel through time and space, since the idea behind this metaverse is to showcase the sci fi world of countless possibilities. You can play with your friends and battle with enemies to save the universe you've created, but how will you create your universe? We saw that in Mirandus, you can monetize literally anything, but to own them, you have to pay a price. Thus, Mirandus demands an investment first, then it gives you a passive income. However, in Big Time, the story is different. Besides buying land, players can create their own land, and in this way, an entire universe. They can add anything they want to it, industrialize it, modernize it, or seize its progress. But how will the land be created? In Big Time, you play in space and time, and for that, you need a time machine. Time machine is the very tool you would need to create your land, one by one, or many other structures to eventually tailor an entire personalized universe. And that's not the end. You can upgrade the time machine using spaces to create more land. The more upgraded your time machine is, the bigger the structures and land you can produce from it. But yes, you have to buy spaces for that. But you can get money for that after winning the big time tokens. Let's say you've created your universe. Once you do so, enemies may invade your world and you may need your friends to battle with your enemies. When you fight in your special avatars using some of the remarkable weapons you can ever imagine, you actually win big time tokens. These tokens can later be sold on any exchange, or you can hold them until their price increases. You only get a few games where you can actually win tokens without having to buy them from exchanges. You can also win limited edition NFTs only if your universe is attractive enough. Bigger universe means getting bigger enemies, having bigger rewards in the loots. Once you defeat them, you can have what they were carrying, and it may include several precious in game assets. Now, which one is better, Mirandus or Big Time? Well, the answer is not as simple as you might think. Both of these metaverse offers one of the most sensational features we never saw before. They're showcasing features to make money in any way you may want to. Mirandus is going to be for you if you're ready to make an investment up front. If you're willing to invest in various in-game assets, in Mirandus, believe us, you're going to multiply your money within no time. You'd just be buying assets, monetizing them, getting the money in your wallet. Therefore, if you're looking for a passive income source after investing in the metaverse, Mirandus should be your choice. Also, if you're a lover of the era of the past where monarchs existed and ruled, where geographers and traders explored the world, then Mirandus can give you that feeling. Big Time showcases a science fictional world where characters have traveled into the future of time and space. Thus, if you're a lover of the big space world, Big Time offers you the best experience. In terms of earning, Big Time actually lets you own various in game assets by creating them using a time machine. No doubt you'll need spaces to upgrade your time machine, but that money can come from the tokens you win from battles. Plus, you can own limited edition NFTs by finding them in your enemy's loot. In simple words, in Big Time, you can gradually start to own land without actually investing your own money from outside, but the whole process will be quite slow. In both of the metaverses, ultimately, you're going to own land and various in game assets. Hence, you can choose any of them, depending upon the features you may want in the metaverse. Did you know that you can have a passive income from Mirandus? Or did you know that Big Time can let you create your own land using the time machine? Don't be shy. Comment right below in the comment section. Which of these two projects do you love the most personally? Also, here's another reminder to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any amazing updates and insights about the crypto world. Until the next video, stay tuned.